Ang liit pala. Hindi ko na-realize yun. Nakikita nyo ba yan? Maybe she's born with it or maybe it's filter. Let's start off with a peachy pink eyeshadow. With this particular one from ColourPop, it's best to apply it with a finger, and I'm concentrating it in the middle portion of the lid. Then I apply transition color with a brush because I want to fade out the edges. Next step is eyeliner. Not too much of a wing, just a little bit. Then I tight line curl and apply mascara. And natural looking false lashes will be perfect for this look. I still struggle with putting this on, but I can break this down and make another video on how I pass through that struggle. Just hit like or comment it down below. Then apply MLBB lipsticks. And don't forget the ears. In the photo with filter, the lips are super glossy, so I'm going to apply a gloss. Start with a heart. And see how it goes. Now time for those little face arts. Okay, this art going on right now doesn't make sense. This is just what I come up instead of a star. So I draw. I don't know what is this one. It looks like, what do you call that one? Blue maple leaf. I'm pretty much happy with this. See, it doesn't smudge too. I'm using Handaiyan Eyeliner. Where are you? I just found you. Oh, everything's all over the place. Okay, here it is. So I'm going to use a nail art sticker. Maybe the biggest flower. I don't use because I have small little nail bed. So I'm going to use this one here instead. Because I don't have a glitter sticker just like the one in the picture. I'm also going to fill these ones up. I think I'm ready to peel this off. And there it is. Okay, so expectation versus reality na ba ito? Alright, so this is how it turned out. I like the way the pink peek through. Even though I have big lashes, see? You can still see the pink color here, so I like that one. The right side's supposed to be gold. I should have used my gold, but I only have gold color, but it's a powder eyeshadow. I don't think that one will stick on my skin because I don't have a glue. I'm not gonna do that. The other side, it's supposed to be hard, but I ended up doing that. This one, it should be this way, pink heart. This one doesn't make sense to me. Like this one, why is this blue and maple? This one, I don't know. But yeah, this is just for fun. This is a expectation versus reality kind of situation. So the lips supposed to be just my natural lip with high gloss, but I don't like the gloss, so I just put on lipstick instead. MLBB. I winged out a little bit, and there is no blush for this look, but there's lots of small pins. I don't have those little pins. I have these kinds, so I don't know if that works. Let's do that. See, it's not visible. I have the big ones though, like these. Oh, all over the place. Yeah, we will skip that one. So my next video will be another Facebook filter. It's another expectation versus reality. Stay tuned for that one. Posing ako. My son said that I look like Blackpink.
Yep. And me, how do I look? Like Asking Alexandria? Do I look like Asking Alexandria?
You look like Denzel Washington.
No.
I don't know. I'll take a picture of it. Okay. Yeah, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoy watching this, although it doesn't make sense. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hope to see you next time. Bye!